Hello everybody, I am Asaduzzaman Biswas. In my previous discussion, I was talking about how to display the specific resource or specific record from a database table to our web page. Today, I like to discuss about this method destroy. Basically, this method is used to delete any record from your database table, right? So today let us see how we can delete record from database table using this destroy method. So what I'll do first, I will go to this page, index blade page. Here let us copy it. Okay, so I will copy it first. Okay, fine, then we'll paste it here, right? Okay, I will paste it here. Here I will write what? Delete. Delete, right? So where we'll go? We will go to this method. So let us copy the name of this method here. Okay. That means if we click on this text delete, then we will go to this controllers, this method, and this ID will be also passed to this method, right? That means we are sending this ID to this method, right? And this ID will be stored inside this variable, right? Okay, so now what we'll do then, oh yes, one thing we'll have to do first, we'll have to go to web.php page. I previously shown you where it is, here, inside this root folder. Inside this root folders, this web.php page, we'll open this page. Okay, and here we'll write down the root of this controller method, right? So this is XYZ. If we can write it here. Destroy, or no, we should write it here. Yes, destroy, because this is destroy, so we will write it here, destroy. We will have to use this ID because we are passing this ID through URL, so through URL to this method, so obviously we will have to write down this ID, right? So if we use this URL, then we will go to this controller and which method? This method. So I will copy it and paste it here, and it will go to which view inside this folder, and name of the view is also destroy. View file is also destroy, right? So this is the, we can check it. If you go to here inside resource views, XYZ is the name of this view folder, XYZ, and inside this XYZ we are getting this destroy file, right? That we root here, that's why root here XYZ dot destroy. Okay, we root the root of destroy method. Now let us go to here. Let us check the value first. I think this one is not required, so I can remove it. Okay, now if I like to see, first I will see I am getting the ID or not. The ID is here inside this variable, so I will check it getting the ID or not. So let us go to here and check it. Okay, give refresh. It's taking time. Okay, Yes, we got it. Now if I click on this link, let me see. Okay, I am getting the ID, right? Here I am getting the ID on my web page. Okay, it means we got the ID. So what the query, what the codes will write? What is the name of our model? This is the name of our model. So let me copy it and paste it here. Okay, so I will use the method of this model, that is your find. I am trying to find the record whose ID is this. Okay, so I will copy it and paste it here. Whatever I will get, like to store it inside a variable, right? So what I'll do now, I will check if there is anything inside this variable, then what I do, I will call the delete method to delete the record, right? Then I will return to where redirect root. Which root I like to return to? I will have to collect this from web. I like to return to this URL. Okay, that means I like to return to index method. That's why I will write this URL. Okay, so okay, so what I write here, this URL. Okay, so let us save and let us check it. We will have to write it in this way. We will have to write down the controller's name, right? Then dot index. This is the right coding. Okay, so let me check it now. Oh yes, we will have to use this. Redirect is a method, right? So bracket. Now let us check. You refresh. Now we are getting the errors. Let us check what the mistake I did here. Okay, here this X will be capital letter, right? Because we use this X as capital everywhere, so this X will be capital. So I wrote here this X capital, right? Okay, fine. Now if I save it and go to output, let's give refresh. Now if I click back, this will be deleted, right? Each one is deleted. Okay, fine. That means this is working fine. So in this way, we can delete any record from our table using Laravel and using this destroy method, right? So today, after this, if you have any question, feel free to contact me through comments. So today, after this, goodbye everybody.